Here I have JAECOO 5, and on this example let me show you how to clear bad odors out of your JAECOO cabin. So let me show you how to use Smart Deodorisation mode. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find this AC button. Let's just tap it. And as you can see now, you've got access to all AC settings. Now let me tap the Smart mode. And from the Smart mode, you can choose the Smart Deodorization. So let me just tap it. As you can see, everything turns on automatically. If you would like to disable the Smart Deodorization, let's just tap it again. And basically, this specialized air quality feature helps eliminate stale air, smoke, or external pollution from the vehicle's interior. When turned on, the car uses its cabin air filtration system and alters the air recirculation settings to purge odors, quickly refreshing the cabin environment with clean, filtered air. So sometimes it's quite useful to use it, and just remember that you can find it right here in the AC control center under the smart mode. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.